Curious about how SMS can help grow revenue for your brand? I'm Patrick from Attentive, where we've worked with over 8,000 leading brands across the globe to drive 90% of their total online revenue with SMS. One of the things our most successful customers have in common is that they're great at delivering a hyper-relevant experience for every one of their customers. I'm going to share how you can do it too. First, collect the right data. With changing privacy regulations, third-party data is becoming increasingly hard to come by. Many brands are turning to first-party data like website activity, purchase history, and engagement to help them deliver relevant messages to the customers. This is a great start, but even with personalization based on first-party data, there can be some limitations. Just because I bought my mum a pair of earrings Mother's Day doesn't mean I need to know about new earring collections all year, right? Right. The brands that are truly great at personalization aren't just collecting first-party data. They're also finding new ways to get zero-party data directly from their customers. For example, some brands are asking customers what types of products they're interested in right on the email and SMS sign-up unit, collecting their preferences to personalize the experience from the get-go. Brands are also using two-way text messaging to get to know their customers better. For example, when someone opts in to receive texts, a beauty brand might ask for their skin type and then share relevant product recommendations or skincare tips. Once you've got a strategy in place to collect first and zero-party data, you're ready to use that data to help segment your subscriber list. But the number of segments you could build is almost infinite. So where do you start? While every brand and audience is different, there are a few segments that we've seen retail and e-commerce brands have success with that are great to test first. For example, engaged subscribers are likely to make a purchase soon, so make sure you stay in touch with them often. Bonus if you can integrate behavioral insights such as browse abandon into their messages. On the flip side, while you might consider lapsed subscribers unengaged, we've actually found they can be great targets for re-engagement campaigns. Try testing various lapsed time intervals with discounts and other offers to see what brings them back. And then of course, you have your brand loyalists who tend to spend the most with your brand. You should treat their subscribers like VIPs. Early sale access and other perks are great for this segment. And last but not least, you can target purchases of specific products. For example, if someone recently bought a bag, you can retarget them with complimentary items like a wallet. While there are some tried and true segments that most brands should at least test, your audience is unique. When you're ready to level up your segmentation strategy, you want to start looking for additional key segments for your brand. And that means turning to your data. For example, you might look at which products your high value customers tend to buy first. And then you could create a campaign focused on getting the shoppers who recently bought those products to make a second purchase. You can check out additional strategies in our guide, Marketing Mix, Personalization Strategies to Drive ROI. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more marketing tips. And if you're not using Attentive yet, we're happy to set up a free demo and chat through how you can improve personalization to drive more impact from your SMS program. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.